Hi, we're here to install today. Let's meet the team.
Hi, this is Travis Winkler, a pastor at Second Presbyterian Church in the Central West End, and I am just excited to be part of this effort as citizens and residents of this community to provide access to data to enable us to have healthy air. This is an important part of being people of faith to ensure that all God's people can flourish and that creation can flourish, and so I'm very excited to be part of this effort today.
Howdy, I'm Nathan Schrader. I'm a member of the church and a church volunteer, and I help out with wiring and building stuff.
Hi, I'm Richard Cade. I'm the maintenance and building facilitating manager.
Hi, I'm Tyler Cargill. I'm a third-year PhD student at WashU in the Dr. Turner Lab, and I do air quality research here in St. Louis.
Hi, my name is Beth Gutzler. I'm a Metropolitan Congregations United environmental justice organizer working with churches to do environmental justice.
Hi, I'm Teen Nguyen with the Science Communication Lab, and we're here to help spread the word.